So the ways in which we can reduce our risk from the infection include social distancing methods, which include let's not greet ourselves with the nice, wonderful, friendly ways we usually do, but have a little bit of social distance and find an appropriate way of expressing your affection without having those hugs and handshakes. You absolutely want to do hand hygiene, and by hand hygiene I'm talking about an appropriate hand washing, not just time, but also getting at the fingernails by doing this so you get virus out from underneath, paying attention to each individual digit, paying attention to the wrist, and then making sure you also have enough time and that you dry your hands properly. Another fundamental thing that we spoke about during the meeting is what can you do to give your body the best shot at having a low risk from this infection. And that involves doing those things that enhance your immune system. Well, what enhances your immune system? Number one, get a good night's sleep. That's very refreshing for your immune system. That means 7 or 8 hours if you can manage it. What else? Eat healthy, nutritious foods in a balanced way. Not too much, not too little. Healthy foods at healthy quantities. The next thing is, of course, to exercise. Now, if you can go to the gym, go to the gym. If you can go out for a run, go for a run. But if you can't, and if you can at least walk up the stairs because your knees are not so bad that they don't let you, walk up the stairs. Don't take the elevator. Park your car at a further distance so that you're forcing yourself to get at least your 10,000 steps a day. Those are good fundamental things that enhance your immune system. One more thing is things that people do that damage their immune system. So things that people do that damage their immune system include things like smoking. Smoking is a great way to damage your respiratory cells, and it really doesn't matter what you smoke, you're damaging those respiratory cells, and therefore your body has a harder time getting rid of that virus. So don't do that. And also lower your stress, because stress alters your cortisol levels, and by doing that, you're decreasing your immune system. So if you have a stressful job, take a moment to do a little meditation, get yourself calm and relaxed.